Why would we ever be beholden to countries that we know hate us?
Because that's the way the Democrats are.
2 days ago, with these numbers, these horrible numbers on costs, that 2 days ago, he just terminated gas leases, oil leases. And I hear there are many of them that were terminated. Who would do that? I mean, either you hate the country or you're stupid. It's very simple. Who would do that? You're talking about numbers.
How about both? They hate the country and they're stupid. And you got a bicycle running the red light.
$5, $6, $7 now to fill up.
Okay, buddy.
So again, I'm not trying to persuade any pro-lifers.
Go get him, baby. Go get him, Aldi. Woo, baby.
Right.
Keep on going. Keep on going there, Aldi. Oh, he's driving. He's fast. He's fast and dangerous. What the heck kind of cars are those? Are those bicycles or are those cars?
Bicycle.
Oh, boy.
Oh, that's a good exercise.
I never seen bicycles like that.
Well, of course he is, and he's staying by the wall, which tells me he's kind of looking for...
Good job there, bicycle. You run that red light. Good job. Okay, bicyclist, you see that hand right there? It says red in, that means you weren't supposed to be crossing. What the hell's that bicyclist doing? Going down, looking for a head-on collision? Good golly! What you doing, bicycle? You're coming from the wrong direction, buddy. The police activity up there, that's why everybody's slowing down. Something's going on. Did he pull over that bicyclist? Oh yeah, he pulled over the bicyclist. Oh, you think maybe he came across the bridge? Oh, yeah, you're not supposed to ride a bicycle or walk over the bridge. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, I'll let you go there.
Yeah, because that's not the first time that it happened.
What? Whoa!
It happened.
Did you see that? Car on the left pulled right out in front of somebody else by that bus. Almost got hit.
Hi.
Come on out there now, buddy. That's good. You wait for me to get a little bit closer.
Yeah.
He wants to wait till I get closer to give me some excitement.
Oh, boy.
Good job, buddy.
I can feel your eyes on me. You are near, chasing down my silver light. Have no fear, come and follow into the water here with me. I'm your wildest dream, everything you need. Come and follow
Oh,
me.
come on out there, buddy. Yeah, come on out there and change lanes where you're at.
Come and get me.
Oh, come on out there, buddy. Come on out and pull out in front of everybody.
Come and get me. Come and get me. You know you want more, so come try and catch me if you can. You know you want more, so come try and catch me if you can. Close your eyes and hear my voice in your ears. You think that I'm far away, but I'm here. Come and follow into the
You don't want to speed on Coronado, buddy. You haven't figured that out
to
yet.
your knees, but you follow me. Come and get me.
Yeah, I figured out by now. Don't speed on Coronado.
Come and get me. Come and get me. You know you want more, so come try and catch me if you can. You know you want more, so come try and catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Come and get me.
Oh, come on over there, dude. Come on.
Now you got me. Now I'm with you and you with me, singing you to sleep. Now close your eyes and rest in peace. Ooh.
Are you gonna pull out in front of me there, buddy?
Setting this at maximum power. Laser and charged particle beam weapons.
intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the. I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, 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 move like the. Radiate, radiate, radiate. Gravitate.